In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on Vestiaire Collective. Whether you've recently switched email providers or simply want to update your contact information, this guide will walk you through the steps to ensure you don't miss any important messages. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser on your computer or smartphone. In the search bar, type in Vestiaire Collective and hit enter. You'll see a list of results appear. Click on the first result to be directed to the official Vestiaire Collective website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button. It's generally located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to begin the login process. Enter your credentials to log into your account. If you're already logged in, you can skip this step. After you've successfully logged into your account, navigate to your profile. You can usually find this by looking for your profile icon or your name, which should appear somewhere around the top of the website. Clicking on this will lead you to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Account Settings option. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your email address. Click on Account Settings to proceed. Once you're in the account settings, search for a section labeled Account Info or something similar. This is where all your personal information is stored. You're likely to find your email address listed here among other details. You'll need to edit this information, so click on the Edit button. However, it's important to know that if your current email address is already verified, you might find it listed as not editable. This means you won't be able to change it directly on the website. If you find yourself in this situation, don't worry. The next step is to return to the home page of Vestiaire Collective. Scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page until you find the Contact Us link. Click on this link to access customer support options. Once you're on the Contact Us page, you'll be given a few choices on how to get in touch with support. For this particular issue, click on the option to open a chat. This is where you'll be able to raise your concern directly with a customer service representative. Explain your situation, that you'd like to change your email address, and they will guide you through the process or make the change for you. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your email address on Vestiaire Collective. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look and who to speak with. Keep these instructions handy for future reference and don't hesitate to reach out to Vestiaire Collective's support team if you need any further assistance. Thank you for watching and good luck with updating your account.